Magandang tanghali po ng December 31, 2023 Sunday at ito po ang mas pinaagang draw result ng 5 p.m. digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. result ngayong December 31, 2023 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. result ngayong Sunday, December 31, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for December 31, 2023, Sunday. Tonight's jackpot price of Super Lotto 649 is 500 million pesos and tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 49.5 million pesos for Sunday, December 31, 2023. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for December 31, 2023, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.